Please feed the trade.
Of course, I love fitty trading. You go first.
I can first.
Wait. She's flying. Wait, I can
trade.
wait.
I can trade.
What?
I can trade. Go.
What is your trade?
Of course. It's later.
Ah.
Dumplings casey. It's a rainbow.
She is rainbow. My each trade is a butter. You.
Can you add small thing?
Okay. I'm trade is that.
I accept.
I'm plus.
Okay.
X. I'm check. Oh, it's so cute. What? You go first. What is that?
He is using Kenya mag-drawing ng high and using Kenya.
Okay.
Using
I trade is the pencil.
oh my god.
You.
And add small thing that really small.
I trade this is a scotch tape. Huh?
I accept.
I accept. Your turn.
I use the one. And can you let
I don't like.
okay. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Wait, I like that. I can achieve this bigger to God. This is a Tagalog version.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, titrik ko pa to. What is your trade? Go. Okay, I'm set. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. This is our feeding trade. Bye-bye.